Apple to offer iPhone to non-iPhone data sharing Safari browser deletion by 2025. Following the approval to establish third-party app marketplaces and alternative payment methods in the European Union, Apple is eyeing to extend some awe-inspiring features to the Apple consumers. Out of various amendments made to the rules and regulations to comply with the DMA, a new rule imposed in the EU to rein in tech giants. The most noteworthy features Apple aims to introduce is the ability of an iPhone to transition into an Android. If comes true, this would be marked as the most remarkable feat for Apple among all it's ever succeeded in achieving. The iPhone maker says that it's working on a solution for that. It will assist operating system providers break app from the box and develop more user-friendly solutions for iPhone to non-Apple phone data transferring. The solution to pay foundations for the connection and data sharing between an iPhone to a non-Apple device would be surfaced by next year, Apple said. This will definitely be a window of opportunity wide open for point companies like Samsung and Google to offer tools for data transferring with an iPhone. The recent changes, in line with the DMA, will allow EU iPhone users to uninstall Safari from their devices by the end of 2024 and replace it with an alternative browser. Apple is also working on a solution for transferring browser data to another browser on the same device as required by the DMA. Additionally, Apple is enabling third-party payment apps to use the iPhone's NFC chip for contactless payments not involving Apple Pay, and developers can request further interoperability options. These requests are evaluated individually to determine if they fall under the scope of the DMA and if effective interoperability solutions can be implemented.